This video will show you how to add hyperlinks to your weekly announcements. I find that the students find it helpful when I include hyperlinks in my weekly announcements because then they can simply just click on the hyperlink in order to go into the content that they need. So you can see this is my announcement for week 3 of English 101. And I already have my hyperlinks in there, but I just want to show you how I did that. So though I'm going to remove this hyperlink for the course schedule first. So I'm just going to click it and then click remove link. So what I do is I highlight where I want the hyperlink to be, and I'm going to go up here to insert quick link. When I go to the quick link, it gives me a list of things that I can link to. So I'm going to click on content and I want to link the course schedule. So my course schedule is listed under getting started, and here's my course schedule. And once I do that, you can see that the hyperlink appears. So I can link all kinds of things. So I always put my due dates for the week itself and then looking ahead. And so if I wanted to link this particular assignment, the submission folder for this assignment, I'm just going to highlight the title. Again, I'm going to go up here to the quick link because I want to link the assignment itself where they're going to submit it. And so I'm going to find the draft and I'm going to click on that, and now that's linked. If I have other just URLs from outside of the course, like this particular one from Khan Academy, when you click the link, you can simply copy and paste the URL directly into this box. However, if you're linking course materials, even though you can unlink it from this box, in order to actually link course materials, you have to go into the insert quick link. And again, you just scroll to the content, find where the content is. This is on the Unit 1 learning materials, and then scroll down to first draft. And now that page is directly linked in the announcement. So I can do that for assignment. I can do that for assignment submission folders. I can do it for discussion boards. I can do it for anything in my course or external URLs if there's something that I want them to look at. You can see I also link my rubrics. And so then when the announcement posts, this one will post tomorrow morning. You can see that all the links that the students need to look at are right there in my weekly announcement. This class meets via Zoom, so it is not a strictly online class. Thus, I do tell them what I need for them to do to be prepared for class on Monday, and then what they need to do to be prepared for class on Tuesday, and for Wednesday. And then I have their due dates, and then I always put looking ahead, just because I want to make sure, especially if it's a due date early in the week, that they know when those due dates are. The other cool part that you can do if you make a video for your students, let me go into edit again. If you do have a video for your students, you can insert those videos. I'm just going to do this. Whoops, not that. You can go to the insert stuff. And so you can find things that are shared on your computer, or if it's a link to like a YouTube video, you can either insert the link, or if you know how to grab the embed code from YouTube, you can enter the embed code. And what makes it cool about this is with the embed codes from YouTube, your video will actually show up right there in the screen. So an example of that, let me cancel this and go back out. I had a couple of questions from students about submitting assignments. And even though there is a video in the course with their assignments, I made a quick one, and then I used the embed code. And I also provided the direct link as well. But if students are submitting from Office 365, they got a little bit confused. So I wanted to make a special little video just for that. And then you can see what the announcement looks like as a whole. I always give them general reminders up at the top. Those 5 bullet points tend to stay the same. And then, my Zoom link for the first 2 weeks, I put that directly on my announcement. But then from here on out, I will not have the Zoom link in the announcement because the Zoom link is housed here. So that's just a quick overview of how you can insert hyperlinks into your announcements. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.